بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ladies and gentlemen, dear faculty member, today I would like to guide you in this video tutorial about fully understanding grading the grade center. As we've seen here, our objectives, first of things, grade center main interface, then create columns, create categories or the total columns, weighted column, and finally how we align grades based on courses syllabus with final columns or with final categories at the end of every term. The main interface of the grade center, as we've seen here, starting with the control panel of every course, then go to the full grade center. Grade center, when we click on it, then coming to another interface, then come the full grade center, need graded, tests, and finally homework. After that, this is here, we are in the main interface of the grade center. As we've seen here, this is full grade center. First of things, create columns, then create total columns or weighted columns, management or manage grade center, and the report. And finally, we see here this something like working offline, like download as Excel format. We resume and we're still in the grade center interface. As we've seen here now, explaining about the phrases and non-phrases columns, and we're starting with create columns. To create columns, we have to click in this is first of thing, create columns. The second of things, this is here, create calculated columns, weighted, total, average, something like this. Moreover, managing, reorganizing, create categories, smart view, create grade schemes, and whatever, all of this from the manage. Moreover, finally, work offline, like download the grade center to Excel sheets. With more details here, we can see in the grade center an important things that we have some columns as a fixed phrases. We cannot do anything in these columns, such as the first name, second name of a student, and the ID, last access, for example, availability. We can hidden it from the grade center, but we cannot exchange it or reorganize its ordering in the grade center. How to create column? To create column, of course, click on the create column, then coming in your interface, it asking us about give the column name. This is mandatory. After that will be ask about information of the columns. This is very important. Primary display, don't forget. It will be like, for example, percentage, will be like score, will be complete, incomplete. This is very important. Secondary as well, same things. And don't forget and which category will be belong this column. For example, this will be from the test, this will be from the discussion board, from surveys, final exam, quizzes, whatever, and a due date in case this column something such a type of homework assignment and midterms. Resume informations here, something like options about will be included in the grade center, this calculated and show for the student, and show statistical such a type of average, median in these columns for the student in my grade icons. Don't forget submit. This is here an important grade center icons. We have a lot of questions from the faculty member about that. As we've seen here, for example, completed, non-completed, it's a P, disabled, not able, I mean available, not available, or the very famous one is the yellow circle. That means he has downloaded something and need graded. Moreover, going now to customize your grade center, to organize, reordered, how is the column will coming based on, for example, the academic affairs asking you. The first column have to be the total, second one is the midterm 1, midterm 2, midterm 3, final have to be the final exam in the final one. Then this coming from manage, then go from the manage in the full grade center, go to the column organization. When you click on it, it coming then column organization interface. And as we see in this interface, we will see which is the column is the phrases like first name like and last name. So you frozen, nothing to do with it. And but the something else down, all others like weighted total columns, created new columns, a lot of final exam, midterm, something like this. All of these columns you can exchanged where it have to be appear in the beginning, in the middle, as you like. And we have here some functions. Show hidden, for example. You can select the column, show the selected column, hide the selected column as you like you can. And to reorganize all of these columns, it's very easy. Just you can click here to mention that it's selected and hidden or show the selected columns. Otherwise, to reorganize, just take this with the click in the mouse in the left bottom in the mouse and take it and move up and down as you like. Then don't forget to do submit, otherwise will be nothing to do. This is here reorder the columns as we've seen, as I told you before. Just take which one you would like to order. It will be very easy to do these things. Now how to delete and add categories based or to be aligned to the syllabus. Just go to the full grade center and from the manage category, and you have the categories. When you click on it, then coming the interface. This interface you can, there is create category as we seen here, and you choose this is here create category, and you can create it and appear as you like and give the category the name and fill it. Moreover, now how to setting up the categories and the weighting columns in the final grade, how to be your grade center is finalized to get the total of your grades. This is an important step. You need these steps the end of terms. Now just you go to the weighted column, weighted total or the total as you like, then edit column information, then it coming the column information, give the name, of course, name of the weighted total. Then if you resume, go to the total as I told, weighted total, and click, it coming the all options, how to distribute the final. In the main options down in the interface of this column, after you take edit column informations, you will come this schedule as we seen here. You find columns to select or categories to select. You have to decide that your final grade have to be aligned based in columns or based on categories, and both of them accepted, and there is no issue and no problem about that. You have to decide, but you have to distribute everything with a percent based in your syllabus. As we seen here, when I choose anyone, it doesn't matter. Columns or categories will ask us about give name, give fields like how many will be the percents, and what is the criteria to choose this. Will be this in the weighted columns as equal, the value, or will be, for example, the highest, the lowest, the average, in case this is coming from different 2-3 exams or assignments. Don't forget to be the total weight 100 from 100. This is very urgent and important. We still in Blackboard Grade Center setting up the categories and weighting the final. See you calculating as a running total you can choose down. Then the options include in the grade centers and show this for a student. If you would like this and options, show this column as statistical as well, average. That means they will be calculated automatically, the statistical things such as average, median, and whatever, and will be appear in my grades. Don't forget submit. This is an important. Here to create a category, don't forget, because maybe some department they have to create categories aligned to the syllabus. and then just go to the manage in the fully grade center. From the manage, choose category, then it comes this interface, then you find create category as we seen here, and this category selected from your syllabus. You will give name and finish. Again and again we see and we return to the how to include category in the weighted grade. In case you choose category, this is here columns, you can select categories and added it, ask about the percent, and finally here we'll ask you about the weighted total. Thank you so much and good